on! Wake up! It is 7 o'clock!
Oh no, we are late for work.
Kids, please get up right now!
I am awake, Mom, and I am ready. I am so sleepy.
Leo, get dressed quickly, please.
All right, everyone, toast is ready.
Who wants toast for breakfast?
I want toast with jam, please. Can I have some orange juice, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Here is your coffee, Aaron.
Thank you, Clara. I need this.
Mom, I cannot find my left sneaker.
Oh, Leo, where did you leave it?
I do not know. It is lost. Everyone, help Leo look for his shoe.
Is it by the TV? Look, it is under the sofa. Thank you, Mia. Thank you, Mia.
Put it on fast, Leo.
Okay, let's go to the car.
Clara, do you have your keys?
Yes, I have them in my hand.
I have my heavy backpack. I have my lunchbox, too.
Leo, remember, soccer practice is this afternoon.
I know, Mom. I am ready.
I will pick you up later today.
Can we get ice cream later?
Maybe after dinner, Mia.
Have a good day at school, kids.
Love! Leo! See you later, Dad. Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad.
We love you. Have fun.
Subscribe for the next part and keep learning with Pitter Family.